Welcome to Restoration Specialists, Water Damage Restoration, your go-to experts for water damage restoration in Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Our team specializes in handling water damage emergencies, ensuring a swift response to your distress call. When water wreaks havoc in your home, trust us to bring it back to life. With years of experience, we've honed our skills to perfection, delivering top-notch restoration services. We understand the unique challenges that Montgomery County, Pennsylvania residents face when dealing with water damage. Water damage can strike at any time, but our team is here 24/7, ready to assist. We are fast-acting, honest, high-quality specialists. We're here for you 24/7. Your peace of mind is our priority, and we're dedicated to restoring your property to its former glory. Trust in our expertise, state-of-the-art equipment, and unwavering commitment. We handle the mess, so you can focus on rebuilding and getting your life back on track. When it comes to water damage restoration in Montgomery County, Pennsylvania, Restoration Specialists, Water Damage Restoration is the name to remember. At 609-669-2155, we're just a call away when you need prompt assistance. Our website, restoration-specialist.com/areas-served/Montgomery-County-PA, is your resource hub for valuable information. You'll find detailed insights on our approach to water damage restoration tailored to your area. Count on us for swift, professional, and friendly service every time. Restoration Specialists, Water Damage Restoration, your trusted partner for water damage restoration.